10 ways to make money without a job. Hi guys, it's Mark here, and in today's video we're going to talk about 10 different ways you can make money without a job. Hi guys, you're very welcome back to the channel. So, for today's video, how to make money without a job. Can it be done? Absolutely. In today's environment, going out, getting a job for 40 or 50 years, getting a pension, those days are long gone behind us. We're at the dawn now of the digital age, so we should be able to take advantage of that. But here's 10 ways you can make money without a job that you mightn't be thinking of. So sit back and enjoy. Don't forget to stay till the end. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon, and here we go. You could do some street performing. If you're a musician or you have a unique skill or a knack for music and talent, street performing will be an easy way to make some cash. Just be careful of where you pitch. Make sure you know the local laws with regards to busking and performing on street. But then even on a bad day, you can make $40, $50 in 3 or 4 hours. On a good day, the sky's the limit. So that's street performing. The next way you can make money without a job is blogging. Now this isn't quick money, but you can make decent cash flow with some luck and a few months of solid, consistent material. It can be tough and a bit time consuming, but very profitable. Get started with a nice domain and cheap hosting plan from a provider such as Bluehost, or consider the services of a more notable provider like GoDaddy.com. Now guys, I have videos on the channel, go check them out regarding blogging. It's a slow burner, but it can definitely make some money on it. Number 3 is write an ebook. It's difficult for an ebook to make money unless you're an excellent marketer. However, great ebooks can act as a sales lead to one of your other businesses. Average monthly ebook sales can be anywhere from 0 to, I know people, and I myself made a couple of $1,000s on several ebooks. And if you've been to my website, you will see that I have written quite a few. So that's write an ebook. You could start an online store. Setting up an online store is easy with sites such as Amazon, eBay, CafePress, Shopify. Once you learn how to market your store, you can be making some cash. You don't even have to own your own products, guys. You can do drop shipping. There's loads of different options with Amazon especially. And again, on this channel, guys, that's why you need to subscribe. Hit those notification bells, because we have videos on the channel as well that does a deep dive on that. So make sure you check that out. Sell your stuff on eBay. Should be used for items that are unique and easy to ship that require a larger audience to sell. Setting up for eBay is simple. It can be done at ebay.com. Again, if you're just starting to clear out your house, or you have a few bits and pieces around, get them up onto eBay, get the thing ticking over. You can then search wholesale products on eBay, put them up there as well, or you can drop ship from Amazon or Shopify or other sites. The sky's the limit, guys. You just need to identify your plan and stick to it. Number 6 is focus group participant. Researchers need people to help them develop results. Become a member of a focus group to get a share of their research funding. Call your local university, museum, or look in your local paper for opportunities. The average hourly earnings for focus group participants are anywhere between €75 an hour up to €300 an hour. Again, you just need to find out where other focus groups are meeting. Do a quick Google search in your area, you'll find it. The next one, guys, we want to talk about is sell your body. This isn't a reference to the oldest profession in the world here. This is to do with your plasma, your blood, eggs, sperm, anything like that. There's clinical facilities that will pay for that kind of thing. So when we say sell your body, get your mind out of the gutter. That's not what we're thinking. You can walk dogs, guys. Number 8. If you love these furry little fitness machines and live in an urban area, then consider this job as an easy check. Average hourly earnings are €12 per hour basic, but if you go around any large city now, you will see professional dog walkers, not waters, professional dog walkers walking several canines at once. If it's €12 or $12 per dog and they're walking 10 dogs, Do the maths, guys. Number 9 is collect aluminium cans, bottles and scrap metals. Collecting cans allows for a few extra bills of spending money at the end of the month. A certain woman on a channel that we know managed to collect $73,000 worth of cans. I'm going to try to root out that video, guys, and I'll post it in the link below, so make sure you check it out. Leave a comment if I haven't put that up, just remind me to put it up, but it is there. Number 10 is you can become a tutor. If you specialise in a certain subject and live near a college, then considering offering up your brainpower and teaching skills for some quick cash. Grade school kids need help too, and parents pay better than college students. Average hourly earnings for a specialised tutor starting at $15 and all the way up from there. Guys, I told you to be a special bonus, so here it is. Not only am I going to give you a free ebook that we were talking about earlier, just check the link below. I'm also going to give you a couple of different ways you can make money. Here we go. I'm going to rattle these off real quick. Let me know what you think. You could do babysitting. You could become a house painter. You could become a freelance writer. You could sell digital photos. You could do yard work. You could have a garage sale. There is absolutely multiple things you can do to make money, and especially with making money online with with channels and websites like my ones here. Stuff is free on it, guys. Go check it out. Any questions? Let me know in the comments below. So, what do you think, guys? Is there anything here that you've tried, that you're going to try? Is there anything that we've missed out on? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. When you subscribe to a channel like this, you're securing our future going forward, basically, with a small channel like this as we grow. So by hitting that subscribe button, you're getting a direct line, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.